Hey guys, here I am making a video about General Motors, a company that I really didn't think that I would talk about anytime soon. But I'm reading articles, and you're seeing the update from Berkshire Hathaway, where Warren Buffett has actually bought more General Motors stock. And this one I have to really figure out because I can't really see where this fits, honestly, with the way the market is right now, and the auto market, that is, and where it's going. It's quite uncertain. And General Motors, a tough business and in a very tough industry. So if you guys can make sense of it, please let me know. But anyways, let's look at the numbers and the fundamentals here. I'm just going to share my screen. So here's the main page for General Motors at Guru Focus. And so you can see it's sort of hovering between the mid to high 30s, $39.09 is the share price today. And I mean, it's a mixed bag, honestly. So you can see that under the financial section here, that revenues have been very flat and declining. And debt has been going way up overall. So obviously it's important to look at the mix of the type of debt, but no free cash flow. It's just a tough business right now. So I don't know where this business is going and how there's any sort of a margin of safety built into it. But obviously it's important to look at all of the factors. So obviously a very low price to earnings ratio, because there are earnings, but perhaps there's a lot of development being done that's being seen as very positive. Obviously, the whole car market is trending toward electric cars, and a lot of automation and technology being built into there. And General Motors obviously is a part of that, and making a lot of progress. So let's look at the financials here. I just want to look for some trends. But revenue has apparently trended upward a little bit over the past 12 months. And but the 10-year outlook is just not that great. And obviously, we all know what happened in 2008, where General Motors was basically broke and needed government assistance. So that kind of thing really just makes me nervous, because if that business can't sustain itself very comfortably, then I'm not sure I want to invest there. But obviously, Warren Buffett knows a lot more than I do, and probably most of us, as he studied it very intensely for many years. But anyways, one thing that I'm really looking at is the return on invested capital, and this is barely in the low single digits here. And I mean, that's just not a very good number. So I just don't see where value is being created in this company. So these are just some very quick preliminary thoughts. Some signs to look at here. I mean, the good signs, there's a high Piotrowski F score, which just shows an overall healthy financial situation if you look at what the criteria are for that. The operating margin expansion is hard to tell for sure if it's actually trending in that direction. But certainly it's better than 2012, where it was a negative, and obviously 2008, 2009, very, very, very low negative numbers. And a medium warning sign, long-term debt, issuing new debt, which I mentioned at the beginning. So yeah, that's spiking quite a bit. So an important thing to look at. So I hope you found this helpful. If you know more about why this is a good investment, or what areas are more important to look at, perhaps technology changes in the future for General Motors, please let me know. Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. All right, have a great day. Bye for now.